Hello and welcome to a NetTrekker Search webinar. Today we're going to discover the world of inventions as we learn how to use NetTrekker Search and the Premier Partner Weekly Reader Express. My name is Marcy Campbell and I'll be here with you today for about 15 minutes as we talk through these two great products. I have a short PowerPoint that I'll show at the beginning and then we'll go ahead and jump on into the product. First of all, I'd like to introduce Weekly Reader Express, or what we commonly call WRE. Weekly Reader Express is a unique product from Weekly Reader that was created explicitly for NetTrekker, and so you're only able to access it through a NetTrekker subscription when you have a Premier add-on to it. What it is, as it says on the screen, is a collection of K-12 articles that teachers and students have loved and trusted for years. I remember when I was in the classroom being a student and as a teacher, Weekly Reader was something that was a standard resource that we used. And the kids, as a teacher, I remember the kids got excited each month as they came out and they were able to read and kind of have that nice little periodical. Well, that same type of information that we've all grown up with is now accessible in a digital format, which is a really great feature. Today what we're going to do is first talk a little bit about NetTrekker Search basics. For anyone watching this that's new to NetTrekker Search, I'll take you through just some basic ways of how to do a keyword search. And then we're going to search for a Weekly Reader Express resource. Today's topic is on invention, so we'll kind of focus in on that area. Once we get to a Weekly Reader Express resource, I will open that one up for you, let you see and view what is contained in one of these resources, how you can use it in the classroom, what are the benefits of using a Weekly Reader Express resource, and then we'll come back into NetTrekker. And NetTrekker has a really unique feature in it that allows you to save resources that you find. So I'll show you the steps in what you would need to do to save this resource when you find it in NetTrekker so you can access it at any time. And potentially, since you're a teacher, you will be able to share this resource out to your students. And then what we're going to do is going to take you and just show you how not only you can save a Weekly Reader Express resource today, but how maybe I could add some supplemental resources to that. Let's say, for instance, I'm doing a unit with my students on inventions or inventors. It would be great to start out with some background context information from something I found in Weekly Reader, but then to extend that lesson with some other resources I find in NetTrekker. Maybe I will find a really great lesson plan. Maybe we'll find some type of an interactive resource that I could use with my students. Or maybe I could use NetTrekker to create what I will call a lesson launcher, almost an activity or project that my students could do focusing in on inventions. So I'll take you quickly through how to do some of that. So what I will hope to be able to prove to you or show to you that using something like Weekly Reader or one of our Premier partners, you'll be able to get some great content, but because it's something you find in NetTrekker, you're going to be able to wrap around that some other really awesome resources that will supplement what you get with that. So let's go ahead and get started. Just for those of you that are new to NetTrekker, I just want to kind of give you a quick overview, kind of